So setting this business up, you got some help from the Princess Trust.
Yeah.
I think so. Explain how you were able to get a business started, or
In that time, we didn't really know how to start it. So basically, we asked our friends and family how to begin, and they referred to the Princess Trust. So we did our research. Went on Google Princess Trust, and then we found like a 3 to 5 day enterprise course.
Yeah.
Which is basically how they tell you to make a business. At the end of that, they give you like a mentor to help you on your way. And yeah, they do like a panel. So you basically explain your business to, I guess, 4 to 5 different mentors, and they basically decide whether your business is good or not.
Like a dragon's den.
Yeah.
A lot nicer. Yeah. It's not as judgmental.
Yeah. So we went through that, passed it first time, and then we got our loan, so like a low interest loan, and then we just started from there.
Yeah, basically. So yeah, this idea was more of a year and a half in the making.
Yeah.
To get all this sorted. So there's a lot of planning. We made sure everything was ready and like perfect before we started.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we got the van wrapped and then started.